When it's raining on the Camino, what do you like to use? A rain jacket, a poncho, or an umbrella? Each one has its own advantage and inconvenience. I think it's a matter of personal choice. For me, I prefer the umbrella because when I finish my day, it's easier to carry it to the restaurant, to the supermarket, or to do some visit. It's also low maintenance. The problem with the umbrella is that it's very cumbersome if you have to hold it for a long time. I know that in the market, there are some companies selling the hand-free umbrella. They are quite expensive. As usual, for me, when I need something, I don't like just going to Amazon and press a buy button. So I have found out a system that is not expensive and is working well for me. If you have watched the video of my walk on the Camino Frances, you have probably seen me using the hands-free umbrella like that on the first raining day. You know, I set this up, but I never try. But
Okay.
I think it's a smart
it
thing.
never rained. It never rained when I did it.
Yeah.
So I was glad to see that it worked well. And I could also use it when the sun was very strong. Now I'm going to explain you how you can also set it up yourself. I use a regular foldable umbrella. There's nothing special about it, except that mine is rather strong and not so heavy. To attach my umbrella to the strap of my backpack, the best object I found is an elbow brace. This is a cheap one that I bought for $5. There's no need to buy anything fancy. And now I'm going to show you how to attach the umbrella to the strap. If you have a good backpack, you probably have a chest strap that is the same as what I have here. Take the elbow brace and wrap it along the shoulder strap. Be careful to leave the chest strap outside. Now take the umbrella and attach the upper part first. After that, open the lower part of the elbow brace and attach the lower part of the umbrella. Try to attach now as tightly as possible. After that, go back to the upper part and make it as tight as possible. You have to make sure that the umbrella is really tightly attached. Otherwise, it's not going to hold well later. Let me show you now how I use it. The chest strap is a very important feature to use, otherwise the umbrella is not going to hold well. Now I can open the umbrella if I need it. And I can also close it like that. And when I don't need the umbrella, I will just wrap it like that and put it inside my backpack. If you decide to use it for the Camino, you have to be aware that you need a little bit of practice to make it work properly. If you have any question, leave it in a comment. And also, I will be curious to know whether it's working well for you or not. Thank you.